So one of the things that we talked about in a previous meeting was how we handle event switching, the mode changes. Um, and I brought in a block diagram suggesting that we could use MIDI to jump between events and then use OSC data back to inform the game engine when an event is completed, so the game engine can then switch to different modes. So let's say we go from alignment to the wormhole, and then at the end of the wormhole can send an OSC data back to the game engine saying, hey, I'm done playing wormhole sequence, let's jump back into topographic or explorer or whatever the next mode is. So I've set up the skeleton framework for that, and as you can see right now, I've got the screen to the timeline split into the events that we've talked about: explorer, topographic, planetary alignment, and wormhole. And what's happening is those events are now defined by incoming MIDI data. And here I'm running Touch OSC on my phone, and it is sending MIDI data back to the laser control software. So we can see by sending MIDI keys, we can jump to different modes. This preview window is showing laser output, so you can see that we're in that mode and the right data is being sent. And then we have some events here on the timeline, and these are OSC events that would send data back to the game engine. Right now they're sending data to run these lights, and that's just to prove that we can get data back out and the right timing. But it turns out that it works really well,